That was the sound of my wallet crying. And that is the sound of pure, effortless joy. Pores, if you're dreaming of getting into RC planes in 2026, let me save you hundreds of dollars and months of frustration. My name is your name, and I've spent the last 6 months crashing, repairing, and finally flying every beginner-friendly plane on the market. From ultra-cheap online bargains to the 2026 models with tech that feels like cheating. Today, I'm revealing the one plane that survived my learning curve, plus 2 incredible newcomers for 2026 that make your first flight almost crash-proof. This is the ultimate beginner's guide. Number 1. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon. The Carbon Cub S2 is equipped with an escape that can provide a variety of real-time power system-related telemetry data including motor RPM, current, battery voltage and more to compatible Spectrum Airware-equipped transmitters, including the DX6E and 8E, DX6G2, G3 and 8G2, the DX9, 912, 920 and others, while you fly. Thick grass, gravel paths, dirt trails, you can fly from these and many other surfaces that are impossible for most models of this size to handle. The robust landing gear is equipped with oversized tires that soak up the bumps of rough surfaces and provide excellent prop clearance. The optional float set, sold separately, takes just a few minutes to install and all the necessary hardware is included with the aircraft and float set so you can fly from lakes and ponds. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC RC Plane. Beginners can learn to fly using 3 levels of flight control assistance: beginner, full assist, intermediate, half assist, and expert, manual control. Expert pilots can also get some showtime with this RC plane right away. RC plane with advanced features: press the button, hold the left stick, and throw it out. It will take off and hover in the sky, waiting for your command. During flight, simply push a button for aerobatic fun. Thrust large RC glider airplane. The rear propeller, rear thrust glider type design allows the airplane to occasionally fly unpowered through the air, allowing the pilot to extend flight time. With this design, the airplane can fly continuously for up to 20 minutes. RC glider plane ready to fly. It includes everything required to start the model sailplane, only required the batteries for transmitter. Once you open it, you can easily launch the aircraft in less than a minute, thanks to its already assembled design. Compact design that you can carry with you anywhere. Number 3. LEAMBE for Channel RC Plane. LEAMBE airplane has a simple operation mode which only needs to press the switch and pull the stick to easily control the aerobatics of the aircraft. It can take off after you assemble the wheels, and it is also convenient to carry. Best outdoor games and toys for you. Long time flying, provides up to 15 minutes of flight time. The powerful thrust and power system enables the aircraft to have excellent flying speed. The longest flying distance of this product is 656 feet, so you can enjoy the pleasure and remote control flight experience. Suitable for beginners, LEAMBE aircraft has flight control assistance, which can help beginners gradually learn how to control the aircraft. And the assistance system also can provide users with a stable flight experience. This product supports both horizontal ground takeoff and throw takeoff. Because the product has great stability. The 3-level flight control can easily perform stunts, and the solid RC aircraft wheels can land safely and smoothly. Number 4. LEAMBE RC Plane for Channel. LEAMBE airplane has a simple operation mode which only needs to press the switch and pull the stick to easily control the aerobatics of the aircraft. It can take off after you assemble the wheels, and it is also convenient to carry. Best outdoor games and toys for you. Long time flying, each provides up to 15 minutes of flight time. The powerful thrust and power system enables the aircraft to have excellent flying speed. The longest flying distance of this product is 656 feet, so you can enjoy the pleasure and remote control flight experience. Suitable for beginners, LEAMBE aircraft has flight control assistance, which can help beginners gradually learn how to control the aircraft. And the assistance system also can provide users with a stable flight experience. This product supports both horizontal ground takeoff and throw takeoff. Because the product has great stability. The 3-level flight control can easily perform stunts, and the solid RC aircraft wheels can land safely and smoothly. Number 5. E-flite UMX Conscendo BNF. The E-flite UMX Conscendo is a scaled-down, ultramicro version of the Conscendo Evolution 1.5M. As the most powerful, capable, and fun-to-fly version yet, the Conscendo Evolution took the market by storm and quickly became one of the best-selling and most popular E-flite models ever. It delivered a unique blend of soaring, sport, and aerobatic flight performance that made it a favorite for sport pilots and glider enthusiasts alike. And now, the UMX Conscendo makes it possible to enjoy that same flight experience in more places and smaller spaces, from large yards to parks, sports fields, and beyond. It's even more affordable and convenient, while also being easy to fly, which makes it a perfect choice for a wide range of low-time to experienced pilots. Whether you're a low-time pilot looking for your next airplane after learning to fly with a trainer, or an experienced pilot interested in an ultra-micro-sized version of the incredibly popular Conscendo Evolution 1.5M, the E-flite UMX Conscendo is an easy and extremely fun-to-fly sport aerobatic motor glider that offers a flying experience you simply can't get with any other model. With a 2S LiPo battery, the factory-installed brushless power system, featuring a telemetry-capable escape, specially-tuned outrunner motor, and folding prop, delivers plenty of thrust for fast climbs to soaring altitude, sport flying, and basic aerobatics. Or, when using a 3S 300 mAh battery, it delivers even more speed and thrust for unlimited vertical performance without the need for modifications or upgrades. And that's your launchpad into the sky. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to have fun and get back in the air quickly. Their top pick model name is my undeniable champion for 2026. Ready to get started? All the links you need for that plane, the radio, batteries, chargers, and the essential repair tape are organized and waiting for you in the video description below. Tone becomes encouraging. If this guide helped take the fear out of your first flight, please give this video a like, it helps other newcomers find it. Share it with someone you want to fly with. And subscribe for more. Next week, we're moving up to my top 3 intermediate warbirds for when you're ready to graduate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the skies.